was not part of the plan. Nadaanan lang namin itong signage na nakalagay na Camp Volkswagen. Tapos na-curious kami kung ano siya. So apparently, dito sa area na to, may hidden cafe na dedicated sa Volkswagen, yung aesthetic nila. I can see it from here. It's a very steep climb down this hill. Ayun, mataas yung bababaan from the road. Nandun siya sa baba. You have to be very careful kasi matarik yung stairs. So medyo malayo siya dun sa main road, no? Pagbaba mo dito, meron parang maliit na community. And typical Baguio neighborhood. Iba-iba yung levels ng elevation. So this is a house. Tapos we're gonna keep climbing down the stairs. Here's another floor of that house. And then pababa pa. Yan. Here's another level of houses. And then a few more steps. Here we can find the very cute and quaint Camp Volkswagen Cafe and Gallery. It's a very quiet neighborhood. Yan. What is? Sino mag-aakala na merong ganitong establishment dito sa... It's a very residential area. Parang meron ditong courtyard. Because there's this street over here. And the gallery is here. Let's go! Look, and it's filled with Volkswagen memorabilia and toys. This is the cafe. Tapos sa baba is the museum. Is the actual museum. Okay. So the space downstairs is where the gallery is. The toy museum and the art gallery is also dedicated to Volkswagens. Pero hindi na ako bababa doon. Panoorin nyo na lang sa YouTube yung mga ibang videos about the museum sa baba. I'm just going to taste the coffee here in the coffee shop. So everything here is decorated with Volkswagen stuff and memorabilia. Look at this. It's a tissue holder. It's a plant box. May mga posters, picture frames, combi. Oh, it's an old Macintosh. That's an old iMac. Look at this. I used to have this early 2000s.
Yes, the box.
Yan, may mga toys dito. Hot Wheels. Details. Tapos may isang wall na dedicated sa Coca-Cola versions ng Volkswagens. Order tayo ng Sagada brewed coffee at saka hot lemongrass tea, tanglad tea. What area of Baguio is this? Longlong Benguet Road. Yeah, so malapit siya sa sa Igorot Kingdom tourist spot and malapit din dun sa Tamawan Village. Right, so tara, order tayo. Kape, hot Sagada coffee. Tsaka lemongrass na hot. Meron ba? Walang lemongrass. Anong meron? Tableya. May tableya. At tsokolate. Ayun na lang. That's good coffee. With a good view. Look at the view. That's the view from this coffee house.